Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make this snowflakes. So fold this blue craft paper, make a triangle, make multiple cuts. Now start rolling it, flip it and roll it like this from both its sides. Now we are going to make 6 such shapes and combine all of them together, and look, your beautiful snowflake is ready. We are going to make this pattern of snowflakes. So look at the measurement. Now start folding it. Again we are making small pleats from its sides. Then we are going to paste double-sided tape and fold it into half like we are doing here. Then look at the mark. We are going to cut it according to it. Now make 5 such pieces and combine all of them one after another. Paste them using double-sided tape like this. Open it, paste it, and look, your snowflake is ready. In this video we are going to make this pattern of snowflakes. So we are going to cut these strips of paper and then start folding them and paste all of them one after another according to the size. Now we are going to make 6 such patterns and roll another strip of paper and make a ring. Now paste all of it around the circle and look, your snowflake is ready. In this video we are going to make this pattern of snowflakes. So take a light blue paper, start folding it, make a triangle, measure it, cut it from its sides, open it and you will get a hexagon shape. Start folding it from its sides as well like we are doing here. Now press all of them and make a shape like this. After this we are going to fold it at the center like we are doing here. Press it and you will see triangular shape like this. We are going to make 6 such patterns at the center. After this we are going to flip it again and fold it from this side as well, and look at the star. We are going to now press it according to it and look, you will get a pattern like this. Again we are going to press all the petals like shape at the center and you will get a shape like this. Flip it again. Now open all the triangular shape like this. Flip it again. Now we are going to tuck all the corners one after another like this. Again we are going to flip it and press it from its sides and we are going to give it a final shape like this, and look, it is ready. You can make more such colorful snowflakes. Thank you so much for watching this video.